Alrighty guys, we are here at a brand new Menards store here in Louisville, Kentucky. And this is the elevator here. And we have an Otis. Question, it's going to be hydrofit or it's going to be in-rail traction? Here we do. This opens up right into this little area here, which is a bit different than most of the Menards. Alrighty, we are going down to 1. It's a line going up.
Yep.
How good they are.
What?
You never know how good they are.
Yeah. We have like grower stuff, right?
Oh, very proud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Doing good, how about you?
Doing pretty well.
Just filming this elevator because it's a new store and whatnot, so go ahead.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anyway, these are new series 2 buttons. There's the indicator there. It's a very big and spacious elevator. 5,000 pounds. Which is pretty impressive. Yeah, there you have it. And that's the elevator right there.
Yeah,
And I guess that is going to be it for me.